Okay, so when you get an order, you go to sales and orders. You see an auto order. I want to talk about that real quickly. You can set up auto orders, and one of the things that you want to do is order a gift card. And you can see down here that there's different variations, and there's also different levels of auto orders. So the number of orders that you want to pick, you can get credits for those, and you can link your accounts. You manage your accounts. You link like your Amazon account to auto order. You can put a message in here. And a gift card alert. So that basically gives you tracking on all your orders, and it shows and it does all the orders that you want it automatically. So it's a very nice feature if you're shipping from like Amazon. However, I do know that AliExpress no longer allows the gift cards, but some of these other options will allow. So if you want to do that, you can. That's an option. That's the beauty of this system. You can go in here and you can check out these different gift cards: Amazon, UK, Walmart, AliExpress. I'm going to see here, but there's different levels, thousands, hundreds. But AliExpress has no longer, just so you know, ahead of time, allowed you to buy these gift cards. Now, you saw the Rakuten up there. You can use that to also increase your sales. I also use Honey, but you can see I listed this at 2 o'clock on Friday, and it is 7:30 at Friday night, and I already have orders, and you can see that I have 7 orders waiting for purchase. So what I have to do is go in here, and you can see there's a little arrow button and some of these other icons that you might need later. You can add to it, and you can delete stuff, you can do a message, you can edit things. But what I want to do is click the arrow that, because you have the DSM Chrome tool on Chrome extension, it's going to copy the address of the person that purchased it. Then you're going to add it to cart. You're going to go up and view your shopping cart, and you have to do a couple things. As you can see, my Honey pop up. It's an extension. I gotta delete these. I'm sorry about that. That was from before stuff I was looking at. But put some kind of cashback Chrome extension on there, so you increase your cash back. So once you do this, if you have Honey, just activate the rewards and then close that out. Once it says it's done, you're going to go over and check who you want to purchase it from. Buy from this seller. It's going to load it into my cart. Honey's going to do its thing. I'm going to change my address, and I'm going to add the shipping of the person that's copied onto the DSMTOOL clipboard. Now what you will see is I always like to go back and double check and make sure everything is good, and it is. But you're going to link to the person that bought it, or you can copy and paste. Sometimes the extension is not going to work, so I'm showing you how to actually use the copy and paste method. You can just come in, copy, paste. Otherwise, I'll show you here in a minute that it actually does, pop up for an extension above right where my cursor is right now, and under the shipping information. All you have to do is click, and that enables that automatic Chrome extension that DSMTOOL has created. All you do is one click versus the time that it's taking for me to enter this entire address in. So that's one of the beautiful things about DSMTOOL. It saves you that amount of time. So let me just finish this up. Always go back and double check the information, make sure I have it right. You don't have to put their phone number in. A lot of times I just put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you just want to click place your order once you've confirmed everything looks good. Now on AliExpress, sometimes you have to verify your credit card, especially in the beginning when you're starting to purchase. You might have to call your credit card company and say, yeah, I'm ordering on AliExpress, and then you push the purchase through, and the payment is successful. So that's how you process an order via AliExpress, and you would do that in whatever store you're doing it in. You just fill out the information. Hopefully you use the cash back. Make sure you use some sort of cash back website to process your order. You're gonna get extra money by doing it that way. So go back to sales. I'm going to show you the other way. You can see that one order went through, and I'm waiting for 8 more. So within 5 hours ish, I've just bammed with this product, and I'll show you in another video how I found that product. You have to look in the description on how to find the products. But here's another way to do it. You click that copy symbol, go to the send, and this is the beauty of DSMTOOL, is you're going to add it to cart, go to your shopping cart again, and you'll see a little pop-up. You have to be patient. Sometimes I'm not patient enough. Confirm. And then once you go to the address here, back, and be patient, and click auto paste. So it takes all that information from DSMTOOL, pastes it in there. So now you can see the difference between all the time it took me to do it before and the auto paste client address. The client is the person you're shipping it to. It automates everything in there, and voila, it's in there. If you want to double check it, I always double check everything. You don't have to. You can trust that it's good and place your order. So this is a lot faster, and this is the beauty of being involved with DSMTOOL. It makes your drop shipping a lot faster. And if you use the auto orders, even faster. But this is like the semi-automatic, so what I call semi-automatic. But then your payment is successful. So good job. That's how you process your order.